The ASMR niche brings me $1,000 per month. These videos are created in 10 minutes using artificial intelligence and get millions of views. In this video, I will teach you how to make exactly the same videos without complex prompts or complicated workflows. How creators get so many views by using the right AI tools to create ASMR content. Our plan is simple: choosing an idea, writing a good prompt, then creating the video and editing it. We will create videos using the Easemate AI tool, which is perfect for ASMR content. On the main page, click Create Image, and you will get to the page we need. Here. We will animate and create images. But before that, you need to download my prompt from the link in the description. You will not need ChatGPT, because the prompt already contains all the instructions for you completely for free, which I personally use to create the images and videos. I will show you how to create images and animate them, and then we will create ready-made videos directly from a text prompt without an image. Copy the prompt with the cloud-style keyboard. This is the second prompt in the list, and return to Easemate AI. Click Text to Image and paste our prompt there. The most important thing is the generation model. Choose any you want. The best options are ChatGPT, Kling AI, and Nano Banana. Set the image resolution to 3:2. In editing, we will make it 16:9, since we are creating long videos. That's it. Now click Generate and wait about 1 minute or less, and you will get a very beautiful cloud-style keyboard image, which we will animate later. Great, friends. Let's continue creating unusual objects for our ASMR video. Next, I will create a wooden-style keyboard. I copy the prompt from my list, it is the third one, and simply paste it into the website, changing nothing else, and just click Generate. We again get an excellent ASMR image. Write in the comments what you got. Don't forget to download all the images to your computer. Now we create images where a person is squeezing an ocean made of jelly with their hands from a first-person perspective. This is the fifth prompt in the list. Copy the image prompt and paste it into the website the same way, without changing anything. It turned out beautifully. I will make a couple of versions. Now all the images we have created will be animated. We need prompts for video. Copy the video prompt with the cloud keyboard and go to the AI video section. The most important thing here is the generation model. Veo 3 Fast is the best option, because the video will already include sound, which is very important for us. Paste our prompt and wait for the video generation. Friends, just look how cool it turned out. Pleasant visuals and pleasant ASMR keyboard sounds. Great, we continue the same way. Animate the wooden keyboard, then animate our jelly oceans. The videos are very high quality and most importantly, include sound. I remind you that you can use not only my templates, but also create other styles. For example, a honey ocean or a honey keyboard, strawberry or watermelon. There are many ideas. Just give ChatGPT the right request, like in my prompt, and that's it. The ideas are unlimited. Create anything you want. After we have animated all the images, we will create a ready-made video directly from a text prompt without an image. Copy the first prompt from the Easemate AI website. Switch to text to video. Keep the same model. Simply paste the prompt and click Generate. In 1 minute, you will get a finished video based on text only, without an image. Very convenient and high quality, friends. Now we make the last video, this time with a faucet, where liquid soap will flow from the tap. We only need text. Paste it in and get an excellent video with liquid soap flowing from the faucet. How do you like it? Friends, share your results in the comments and tell what you managed to create. Now all that's left is to combine all the videos in any video editor and you can publish them on YouTube. The final step is editing. We create a project and upload all our videos here. After that, we drag the videos onto the timeline in any order. I first add the keyboard video, then the jelly ocean video, and at the end there will be the soap flowing from the faucet. You can add some filters or smooth transitions without sounds, because this is ASMR and the atmosphere is important, and there should be no unnecessary sounds. When you are done, simply export the video using the best settings. 60 frames per second is mandatory. Then you just need to wait a little. And let's take a look at what I got. Friends, this is simply amazing. How do you like it? Write what you got. This video is completely ready and can be published on YouTube without any problems. This niche is very simple and interesting to create because you can use a lot of imagination and come up with your own ideas. Start working in this niche today and don't abandon your channel and you will see results. ASMR will always be popular, don't forget that. That's all, friends. I showed you the full automation of the ASMR video content process. I hope I helped you. Write your comments about what you think of this niche. Subscribe to my Telegram. There I share additional niches and YouTube tips. The link will be in the description. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new viral niches. Wishing everyone recommendations, and see you soon.